To make sure that your canning lids on your canning jars are sealed, all you have to do is do the press test, the lift test, and the eye test. The press test is simply pressing on the center of the lid. Now when this jar is in the canner, the vacuum automatically pulls this center down into a concave position. So you can just press it. It shouldn't be flexing up and down. This jar, which we're using now, flex up and down. That's because I just took this out the refrigerator. This is not sealed. We're using this one, but this is completely sealed and ready for the pantry. The next thing you do is the eye test. It shouldn't be bulging up in the eye test. It should be slightly concave in the middle. And the next one you want to do is the lift test. You take the canning jar and you put your hands on the side of the lid and you completely lift. It should hold the weight of the jar. So those are the 3 tests you want to take. The press test, the eye test, and the lift test to make sure that your canning jars are completely sealed. And if you want more information, don't forget to watch our videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye.